Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this beautiful shawl. And the pattern is really easy to follow. We can get started by make a circle or chain. What we have to do, we are going to start by make a 4 or 5 chain, then we make a circle, and for the row 1 what we have to do, start by chain 3, then in this circle we make 1 double crochet, then 2 chain, and we make 3 double crochet. Two chain, and again 2 double crochet. Like that. 2, 2, 3, 2, 2. Row 2, we are going to from now on start by chain 5. We return the work, and in the first loop we are going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet again in the same spaces. We are going to repeat anytime we start the row, and at the end of the row is gonna be repeat until you reach your desired length. What we have to do for this row, we are going to chain 5, and we repeat like at the beginning of the row. In this loop we are going to start by 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and 3 double crochet again. This is the end of row 2. As I told you, from now on we are going to chain 5 and return the work like that. We are here again in the beginning of the work, so that means we are going to chain and make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and 3 double crochet. Now it's time to start the pattern by making V shape here by chain 3, and in the middle of these 5 chains we are going to make 1 double crochet, 3 chain, at the same stitches 1 double crochet, 3 chain, like this, and we repeat the edge by 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and 3 double crochet. This is the end of row 3. Row 4, as I told you, we are going to start by chain 5, return the work and make the edge. Now we are in this part. What we have to do, we are going to chain 3. Here in this space we are going to make 1 single crochet. When it comes to V shape, start by grab the yarn 11 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. After that we are going to just start by making 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 like this. When it comes at the end, when you have 3 loops, you are going to make it all 3 together. Now it's time to go to the back loops like that and make a slip stitch. 1, make sure you take the back loops stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 like this. Then in the next space we are going to make 1 single crochet, then 3 chain and repeat the edge. This is the end of row 4. In row 5 and from now on, this is going to repeat the pattern that I show you. As you can see here, the pattern starts with 1, then comes to 2, then 3, and then 4, 5, and each row you are going to increase 1. How we can do that? Start from here by chain 3. As you can see here, this 3 is chains here. We are going to insert the hook in the middle, make 1 double crochet, 3 chain, and again in the same stitches 1 double crochet. It means we are going to make another V shape here. When it comes to that part, always you have to make 5 chain, and then in the middle of that one you are going to make 1 single crochet, again 5 chain, and here we make another V shape. 3 chain, and we repeat the edge. So at the end of row 5 the pattern should look like that, and this pattern is going to be repeat like the one we made it here. I'm going to make one more row for you. Now we are in row 6. What we have to do after the edge, start again by chain 3. In the space here we make 1 single crochet. When it comes to V shape, start by grab the yarn 11 times. It's up to you, you can grab the yarn less, for example 8 or 9. Now what we have to do, we are going to make it 2 by 2. When it comes to the end, these 3 together. Now you have to make a slip stitch. Seven, 8, 9 and 10. Then we are going to make 1 single crochet here. When it comes to that part, we are going to start by chain 3 and make 1 single crochet here again, like this. Then we repeat the pattern again in this V shape. We make another pattern like this, and then 1 single crochet, 3 chain and edge. I'm going to do that and I'll be back. Now we are in row 7 again. As you can see, I already finished row 6. In row 7, as I told you, is repeat by make a V shape by chain 3. Here it's time to make another V shape for the next pattern by 1 double crochet, 3 chain and 1 double crochet. When it comes to that pattern, make 5 chain, then 1 single crochet in the middle, again 5 chain, and we make another V shape here by insert the hook, 3 chain, 1 double crochet. As you can see here, the first row we had only 1, in the second one we have 2. Now we are going to make 3 by 1, 2 and 1 here, chain 5, one single crochet, chain 5. Now we are in this 3 chain, we make another V shape. One, repeat edge, I'm going to show you the end of the row 7. As you can see here, we have 3 V shape, 1, 2 in the middle, and the third one at the in the corner. It means that in row 8 you are going to start by make the pattern like this in here, and that's the way you have to keep continue until you reach your desired layers. One row make a V shape, and another row you are going to start to make a pattern. But make sure you are going to increase 1 in each row. Start by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.